Controversy surrounds the Korean Air and Asiana Airlines merger. The proposed mergers and acquisitions, M&A, between Korean Air and Asiana Airlines have recently sparked debate. In 2020, Korean Air expressed its intention to acquire Asiana Airlines due to the latter's financial troubles. M&A, a term formed from acquisitions and mergers, refers to one company gaining control over another, acquisition, or two or more companies combining to create a single entity, merger. In this case, Korean Air is set to absorb Asiana Airlines. Both the European Union, EU, and the United States have expressed concerns about this M&A, fearing that it could lead to a monopoly situation, which could disrupt fair competition in the market. Currently, Korean Air has submitted M&A applications in 14 countries, specifically concerning the international routes of Korean Air and Asiana Airlines. The United States, EU, and Japan have not yet granted approval, and if any of them reject the proposal, the merged airline cannot move forward. Other countries also need to endorse the M&A, as it significantly impacts their respective economies. But is the possibility of creating a monopoly a valid reason to prevent M&A in other countries? A monopoly occurs when a single company is the exclusive seller of a particular product or service in a market, making it challenging to find an alternative. In a monopoly, the company can set high prices for its goods, and consumers are left with no choice but to pay. Furthermore, in a monopolistic environment, the quality of the product may deteriorate. Monopolies often focus more on building barriers to block competitors from entering the market than on advancing their technology. For instance, when a new company attempts to enter a monopoly market and sell a product, the monopolist may undercut prices to a level below cost, making it impossible for the new company to compete. This can lead to an unfair redistribution of income by stifling competition. In an economy like this, monopolies bring about several issues. In response to these concerns, Korean Air is considering separating passenger and cargo flights. It will be interesting to see whether Korean Air can successfully carry out its planned M&A.